Great. Videotape this. Do you want to learn how to do it again?
No, I'm not falling for your stupid jokes. Now I know every button that works on you.
You press this button and this button.
No.
Okay, I did it wrong. This button and this button, and then close this. No, you have to open up all the way. Craig, wrong. Craig, you're missing. Press the buttons in combination. Who cares about that?
Did you get it yet?
Alright, press the buttons in combination.
Shut up.
Hey,
Press the
get in there.
Alright, do it for the camera while Craig's doing it.
I don't know how to do it.
Can I try?
Not a great deal.
You're on camera.
Yeah, let me try.
Let Craig try.
Alright,
He's gonna press the button.
Yeah, you gotta figure out. I do not know how to close it.
Press the button.
Be careful. I don't want blood all over.
Do you know how many people in the world use this drug?
Guys are so retarded.
It's so funny to us who don't know how you close it.
No, you actually push the button.
It's not even a button.
I know.
It's a possibility.
It's just metal and wood put together. Let me do it. Don't break it.
I'm missing the movie.
Okay. Obviously, you're pressing that.
Oh,
Yes, I thought so.
hidden.
I was going for that.
What?
I got it.
Alright, now
No,
I'm letting
you
the two retards doing it. You gotta press the 2-button combination to do it. It unlocks the unlocker. Alright, we'll do a zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. You better give this like a 5-star. I'm seriously putting it.
My nose is
Oh, I
supposed to
got
tell
it.
you the division has Kira 260.
Yay! Thumbs up. See if Craig can do it. There's my cat. Now he's in the cage.
Alright.
This immunosuppressant will see your life and allow you to
Moral.
reach your full potential.
Alright, let Craig try.
You're going to be a better you, Kim.
I didn't watch at all when you did it, so that's it.
You need to accept
Alright, it's open.
We're not trying to hurt you, Kim.
Haha!
Yay! Now I can